you want to tell us where you're coming from tonight?
No, sir, I don't answer questions.
Have you been drinking tonight?
I don't answer questions.
All right.
All right, you ready, sir?
I don't answer questions.
No, you have to step out the vehicle. You got it? You need help?
I don't answer questions.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's story was submitted by Harvey, who on February 27th, 2021, was driving home when he accidentally ran a stop sign. This immediately resulted in Officer Martinez of the Fort Worth Police Department initiating a traffic stop, during which the officer muted his mic, and Harvey's dash cam shut down when he turned off his vehicle. However, the officer on the passenger side caught a small portion of the conversation. Now the second officer has muted his mic while filling in another unit. Because Harvey has refused to answer questions, the officers ask him to exit the vehicle.
I'm going to remove you from the vehicle. Which one is it going to be? You can make this as smooth as possible, or we can make this complicated.
Are you in fear for your life, sir?
No, I'm not in fear for my life. I need to conduct an investigation.
By Texas state law, the only reason I have to step out of my vehicle is if you're in fear for your life.
Okay, so that's not happening right now. What's happening is...
If it's under threat of violence and jail, I'll step out.
No, for conduction of investigation, okay?
If it's under threat of violence,
there's Supreme Court case law that says that we can remove you from the vehicle if you're traveling on the highway, all right? Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for us.
Yes, sir. I'm not resisting. I'm not being aggressive.
Come back this way.
Step to the back. Just be compliant like
yes, sir. I don't have any weapons on me. I'm not being aggressive.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to tell us where you're coming from tonight?
No, sir, I don't answer questions.
All right, so here's our biggest concern, all right?
Yes, sir.
Based on what this officer saw, the way that you were driving and completely blew through an intersection without even so much as trying to slow down
I got
for
a dash camera.
That's fine, so do I.
So do we. All right. That's not really a relevant matter right here, okay? The way that you blew through an intersection leads us to wonder if possibly you might be a little bit intoxicated, or you might have something in your system that's preventing you from being able to drive safely. People walk through that intersection all night long, expecting cars to come to a complete stop.
Have I committed a crime?
Yes. That's why you're stopped right now.
Okay. Well, write me a ticket, take me to jail.
All right, here's the deal, man.
I mean, that's the bottom line. If I committed a crime, take me to jail, write me a ticket.
Have you been drinking tonight?
I don't answer questions.
All right. So,
you have your dash cams on?
Yeah, I got this cam on.
Do me a favor, kill your lights or your spotlight on the ground for me. Okay, man, we're going to check your eyes. We're going to do a field sobriety test. It's called an SFST,
I don't
standardized.
submit to any searches or seizures.
Okay.
Field sobriety
Nobody's
test.
doing a search or seizure, all right?
I don't submit to anything.
Okay.
You unlawfully pull me out of my vehicle.
Okay, so by state law, okay, if we believe that you...
Have I committed a crime?
Yes.
You already unlawfully pulled me from my vehicle. I don't submit to anything. So take me to jail right now. I don't submit to anything.
Right now, get your hands out of your pockets.
Take me to jail.
Right now, for the sake of public safety,
public safety,
want to make sure
if I committed a crime.
We want to make sure that you're safe to drive.
Have I committed a crime?
Yes.
What crime did I commit?
You ran through a stop sign.
I did not run through a stop sign, sir.
And that's what leads us to believe you might be
I did not run
intoxicated.
through a stop sign. I did not run through any stop sign. I have a dash cam. I know what I did.
All right, so we're going to conduct standardized field sobriety test.
I refuse field sobriety test.
You refuse to do a field sobriety test?
I refuse any seizures. I refuse a field sobriety test. I have not broken any laws. Am I free to go?
No,
am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
For what crime? For what crime am I being detained? Investigation for what crime? What is your reasonable articulate suspicion of a crime, sir?
Okay. Just wait right here.
No, what is your...
Wait right here.
Am I free to go?
No, you're not free to go. You've asked me. Don't ask me again. You're not free to go.
I'm not answering any questions.
Appreciate it.
Can I have a supervisor, please?
No, you may not.
You have the right to decline field sobriety tests without being subject to legal penalties. Keep in mind that these tests are designed to be used against you. The test results are subjective and give law enforcement more evidence to arrest, charge, and convict you of a DUI. It is very uncommon for anyone, intoxicated or not, to pass a field sobriety test, because by the time an officer requests you to perform them, they already believe you are driving under the influence, and confirmation bias plays a huge role in the way the test is judged. Remember that if you refuse a field sobriety test, you can still be arrested for a DUI, but if you don't take the tests, the results cannot be used against you in court. This is not the same for chemical tests and other types of licenses. Be sure to consult with an attorney to fully understand your options. Harvey is now placed under arrest, but not for anything DUI related.
Am I free to go?
No.
Being detained?
Yes.
Supervisor's on his way.
What crime am I being detained for?
Right now, you're just being held.
Held
You're
for-
in a, huh?
Why'd you stutter? What crime?
No, you're on a stop.
Am I
sign.
being detained?
Yes, you
Am I
are.
free to go?
No, you're not.
What am I being detained for?
Okay, turn
What
around.
crime did I commit?
Turn around. Just put your hands behind your back.
Come on here. Yes, sir.
Right now, you're being arrested for running a stop sign. All right?
Stop sign?
Yeah, you drove through a stop sign in exchange in Ellis.
I'm being arrested for running a stop sign.
Yes, you are.
That's right, arrested for running a stop sign. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think Harvey was arrested for running a stop sign or for not answering questions? Let's keep watching and find out.
I'm being arrested for running a stop sign.
Yes, you are. Are you clear and understanding of that?
Yes, sir.
So you're not going to ask me again, right?
No, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Step back to my vehicle real
Yes,
quick.
sir.
When the supervisor gets here, I'll let you speak to him.
You have your body cam on?
I
sir?
do have my body cam. He has his body cam. I have my body cam. You have your dash cam. We got all kinds of cameras over here.
Thank you.
So when you go to court and contest it, you can contest that you didn't run a stop sign.
Ought to be.
What could be so confidential that the officers need to mute it and avoid it being released to the public? Unfortunately, we will never know, but many departments across the United States are considering policy changes that would prevent officers from muting or turning off their cameras when in contact with the public, but those changes could not happen fast enough. Harvey was eventually transported to a local jail where he was booked and released after about an hour. They never conducted any further sobriety checks.
Taking me to jail for running a stop sign.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Just an extension of my professionalism.
Northwest of David 311.
What kind of music you like? Okay. Are you ready, sir?
I don't answer questions.
No, you have to step out the vehicle. You got it? You need help?
I don't answer questions.
At the very end of the video, it seems as though the officer attempted to end the recording, which notifies the user with this tone. But the camera kept recording for a few seconds, and clearly shows how much contempt the officer has for Harvey.
Any recording. So this motherfucker blows through the stop sign at Ellis in Exchange, and I light him up, and he kind of finally pulls over on 24th.
Harvey admits his guilt to the traffic infraction. His channel link can be found below, and if you head over there, let him know that I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick LackLuster logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.